Good morning student. Today also we will see chemistry chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. In our last lecture we have discussed about hydrocarbons, and under that we have learned aliphatic hydrocarbon and cyclic hydrocarbon. Yes, in our last lecture we have seen aliphatic, and under the aliphatic we have learned alkane, alkene and alkyne. That is single bond carbon carbon single bond alkane, carbon carbon double bond alkene and carbon carbon triple bond alkyne. And then ring structure also we have seen. So cycloalkane we have seen under that, and arene. Two types are there, cycloalkane and arene. One is single bonded chain structure will form ring structure here of the same number of carbon atom, and then for arene we have seen the examples of benzene and phenol. Yes, I hope you have remembered that. So after that specially we will see one type of aliphatic compound and also cyclic structure also. So under aliphatic compound first type is alkane. First type is alkane, that day we have seen also. So specially in detail alkane we will see. But after the lecture I have told you that one series of name of carbon compound, series of name of hydrocarbon. So what was that series? Methane for single number of carbon atom, means one carbon atom, the name will start of hydrocarbon methane. Then for two carbon atom ethane. For alkane group I am telling this, for alkane group what will be the name, what will be the nomenclature? Alkane, especially methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane and heptane, then octane, nonane and decane. This is the series of alkane, So we will see some structures for some chemical formula of this methane, ethane, propane, butane and pentane. Up to hexane we will see here, and after that you have to draw that structure. I will teach you how to draw the structure for these. Yes. So the first name is from this group is methane, because single carbon atom is named as methane. Then for two carbon atom ethane, and this is from alkane series. And for alkene series methane will not be exist, because minimum 2 carbon is required for carbon carbon double bond. That's why alkene series will start from ethene, not from methane. Ethene, then propene, butene, pentene. That here ane for alkane, and for alkene alkene, and for alkyne yne. That also I have mentioned. So instead of ethane we have to write ethene, ene, and for alkyne here carbon carbon double bond and 2 numbers of carbon are there. And for ethyne, carbon carbon triple bond and yne is there. That is the difference. It will also start from 2 numbers of carbon. We will discuss here the first series alkane, and then comparatively we will study all that 3 structures. Okay. So first for alkane, what is the formula for this? What is the formula? Formula means CnH twice n plus 2. What is here n means? What is mean by n? N means here n is equal to number of carbon atom, N means number of carbon atoms. Yes, and if we consider here n is equal to 1, means number of carbon atom will be 1. We are taking here number of carbon atom 1. Then what will be the structure? C1H 2 into twice n means 2 into 1 plus 2. So what will be here? C1 once I will not write it here 1 after that, but 2 into n means 2 into 1, 2 plus 2. Again what will be the formula? C1H4. Means if carbon is one singular, means one carbon atom is there, then we have to take here 4 hydrogen atoms for first compound of alkane. For which is the first compound? Methane. Methane is the first hydrocarbon from the alkane group, from this alkane group. Yes. So for alkane, if we have taken here 1 carbon atom, we have to take 4 hydrogen atom. And the house structure will be become here 1 carbon atom. Yes, I have written here. Then each carbon atom is having 4 electrons in its valence shell. So here simultaneously we will see dot structure also, dot structure and chain structure, dot structure also we will see. So first I will show you the dot structure. The electrons, 4 electrons I have shown here by the dots. So 4 valence electron will share their 4 electrons with the 4 hydrogen atom. As we know, hydrogen also is having only one electron in its valence shell. Means its outer shell is having only 1 electron, that we will know that we know very well. So hydrogen here having 1 electron in its outermost shell. Again this hydrogen. So how many hydrogen this carbon will require? Here by formula also we have taken out 4 hydrogen atoms we will require here, and by structure also we can prove this. Again here 1 hydrogen atom, again 1 is required here, for that 1 hydrogen atom. Means carbon need 4 electrons more to complete its octet state. Means 8 electron minimum उसको चाहिए outermost shell में stable atom कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए. स्टेबल बनने के लिए उसको कितने चाहिए? आउटर मोस्ट शेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. 4 तो उसके पास है. 4 कहाँ से लिए? 4 हाइड्रोजन से लिए. तो यहाँ पर बाय द शेयरिंग हियर कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन शेयर्ड इट्स वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन and single bond is formed here. Carbon and hydrogen single bond is formed. So how many single bonds are formed here? 4 single bonds are formed. This is the structure of hydrogen. Here carbon is sharing its 4 valence electron with 4 hydrogen atoms, and the structure of methane formed here with singular carbon atom. Yes, and what is the Lewis dot structure? I will draw here. So each carbon atom is also having sharing here, and each hydrogen atom is also having sharing here. So the Lewis dot structure will be like that. Again it will be like that, it will be like that, it will be like that. So this is the Lewis dot structure, Lewis dot structure. So both hydrogen and carbon are bonded by singular bond here. Yes. So similarly we will see the second structure of ethane. So what is the number of carbon in ethane? We will see here the structure of ethane, N. So this N is the functional group here. N is the functional group, A and E. It is suffix of alkane, alk और N. Alk और ये N है उसको attach, ये है suffix. And from this suffix we can say it is the functional group. Functional group क्या है? जो ये हाइड्रोकार्बन का फंक्शन करता है. इसको चलाता है, ये पर्टिकुलर हाइड्रोकार्बन है अल्केन, और ये अल्केन को किससे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, ये एन से आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं। तो एन का मतलब क्या है, कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, एंड द फॉर्मूला इज CN H twice n plus 2. This is the functional group of this alkane, functional group of this alkane. So RH, R means hydrocarbon, whatever it is having single carbon atom, having 2 carbon atom, having 3 carbon atom, and here H is attached for alkane. Yes, are you understanding? Here see, methane, how can we write? CH4 functional group, H having single bond, and CH3 we will consider as R, this CH3 group we will consider here as a R, and H is functional group. It is general and H is its functional group. Yes, so here in this series, like the structure will become RH means CH3H first, this second, this third one, and fourth one C4H9. Every one is differ by CH through CH2 यहाँ पर देखो C, एक C और 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम ऐड हुए हैं, मतलब हर एक में CH2 ऐड हुआ है, यहाँ पर हर एक में CH2 ऐड हुआ है, यहाँ पर भी CH2 ऐड हुआ है, और ऐसे ये सीरीज बनती गई, बहुत बड़ी सीरीज है, लेकिन वी विल सी अप टू डिकेन. यस, इन आवर 10th स्टैंडर्ड वी हैव टू लर्न अप टू डिकेन मीन्स 10 कार्बन एटम. सो 10 कार्बन एटम यदि रहेंगे तो सीरीज में हाइड्रोजन एटम कितने रहेंगे, टॉइस एन, मतलब 2 into 10 plus 2 again, so 20 plus 2 means 22. 22 will be here. How many hydrogen atoms? 22. C10 up to 22 hydrogen atom. Then pentane C5H11, like that C6H13, like that series will be gone up to decane we will see here. And this is called R group. This is called R group of second ethane, R group of this propane, R group of this butane, R group of this pentane, R group of this hexane. So the structure of ethane we will see here, carbon carbon single bond, and what is the chemical formula of ethane? C2H6. How we will see here, number of carbon atom will be 1, number of carbon atom will be 2, then what will be the formula? CnH twice n plus 2. So यहाँ पर C है 2, H है twice n, 2 into 2 plus 2 again. 2C carbon atom are bonded with, then 3 electrons are bonded by sharing its electron with 6 hydrogen atom, 3 for this carbon atom and 3 for this carbon atom. So first you understand, if you understand the structure of alkane, then easily you will understand the next structure of alkene and alkyne and further structures also. So first properly you should understand the structure, this basic structure. Later on we will see the structure of propane. So for propane, which is the number 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers of carbons, we have to take here how many? 3 numbers of carbon atom. C is equal to 3 here. So what is the formula? Here Cn means C3, H 2 into plus 2. So what will be? C3, 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen plus 2 again. So C3H8. C3H8 we required here. So C3, and for as these are belonging to alkane, N means single bond. So all these carbon atom, 3 carbon atom will bonded by single bond only, as it is belonging to alkane group. That's why only single bond will be there in between that 3 atom. So this carbon atom is bonded with its 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons of this middle carbon atom will share with 2 carbon atom. ये बीच वाले जो कार्बन एटम के वो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 में से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन किसने शेयर किए? 2 कार्बन ने शेयर किए, लेकिन ये कार्बन के पास अभी भी 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन बाकी है, ये कार्बन के पास भी अभी 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन बाकी है, इसके पास 2 ही है क्योंकि 2 तो ये कार्बन ने ही शेयर किए। तो अब ये 2 हाइड्रोकार्बन है तो हाइड्रोजन से शेयर करेंगे। वी विल ड्रॉ हियर हाइड्रोजन, 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 again here 1 hydrogen, here again 1 hydrogen, here again 1 hydrogen, here again 1 hydrogen, here again 1 hydrogen. So how many hydrogens are there? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 hydrogen and 3 carbon. 3 carbon and 8 hydrogen. So sharing will be here by covalent bond. So carbon and hydrogen are bonded with single covalent bond here, and like this structure will form here. Are you understanding this? See here, similar type of structure is formed here. Carbon carbon singular bond among these 3 atoms of carbon, and here this carbon atom is having now 3 electrons with it. This carbon atom is having only 2 electrons, as 2 electrons are bonded with 2 carbon atoms. This first carbon atom also is having 3 electrons with it, and these all remaining electrons are bonded with 1 hydrogen electron. Yes. So this is structure of propane with 3 carbon atom. And now for you the homework is that you have to draw the structure of butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonene and decane. In similar manner, you have to take out the number of hydrogen atom from the number of carbon atom. For butane, number of carbon atom will be 4. Then you can calculate by this formula, and you can draw easily that chain structure of alkane. Yes. So this was about alkane. So next structure we will see about the alkene. Similar manner, but the formula will be different here. Here A and E will not here. E and E will be here. Dot, that's why it is called as dot structure, Lewis dot structure. It is given in your textbook also. You can see in your textbook Lewis dot structure of alkane and alkene, both structures are given there. So after this, that we will see the structure of alkene. Alkene, E and E. Here what is the functional group? E and E. What is mean by E and E? Carbon carbon double bond. What is mean by E and E? Carbon carbon double bond will present in the whole series. In the whole series, like that methane, ethane, propane. But here initially we require 2 carbon atoms. Initially we require 2 carbon atom for carbon carbon double bonding. So we can't take single carbon atom. So this meth group meth name will be skipped here, as carbon carbon double bond is required. So we have to start this series from eth. So from eth we have to start, and the suffix E and E, ethene. By the suffix it will become eth plus ene. Ethene means with 2 carbon atoms, we have to start this series of hydrocarbon, particularly alkene. So what is the formula of that? Cn and H tiosen. Cn and H only tiosen. In previous structure, Cn H tiosen plus 2, but here double bond is present between carbon and carbon. That's why its formula will become as Cn and H 2n. Matlab number of hydrogen atom will be double than the number of carbon atom. हाइड्रोजन एटम के कितने एटम्स होंगे, कार्बन एटम के जितने भी एटम है उससे डबल होंगे. तो फर्स्ट ए सीरीज विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम इथीन. सो व्हाट इज द केमिक नंबर ऑफ कार्बन हियर, C2, and how many H atom will be, twice n means 2 into 2, so that C2H4 for the ethene. Then C2H4, how we can write carbon carbon double bond, as the ethene series is there, so that we have to write here carbon carbon double bond at first. Then how many electrons are remaining here, 2 electrons are shared here, 2 electrons are shared here, among that 4 electrons. So how many remaining, 1 and 1 only 2, as each carbon atom is having 4 electrons in its outermost shell, and among that 2 electrons are bonded here by carbon carbon double bond. So 2 electrons are engaged. So how many are remaining, only 2 electrons are remaining here. So these 2 electrons will be share their 2 electrons with 2 hydrogen atom, and carbon and hydrogen single bond will form here. Here single bond will form, because only one electron is shared here. Only one electron is shared here. Here 2 pair, 1 pair here and 2 pair here. So that 2 pair, because of 2 pairs of electron shared, 2 bonds are created, that is double bond. Here only 1 pair, here only 1 pair, that's why single bond. So what is the structure of ethene, carbon carbon double bond. Then next structure only, alkene, first member of the series is ethene, which is the second, propane. Second will be propene. Here I will write second structure, propene. First is ethene, then propene. So for propene, how many carbon atoms will be there? Prop means 3. Prop means 3. So number of carbon atom will be 3. Then double of that carbon atom, 6 will be number of hydrogen atom. So carbon carbon, one carbon carbon atom will bonded with double bond, another will be by second single bond. Yes. So 3 carbon atoms are there. Among that, as the series is in alkene group, so that one double bond must be present here. So that I have drawn here one double bond and one single bond. And so how we can give the hydrogen and how we can show the hydrogen atom bonding. So this carbon atom is having 3 electrons. One is here, it is bonded, remaining are 3. This carbon atom, 1 is bonded here with this carbon atom and 2 is bonded with this double bond. So how many is remaining? Only 1. And for this carbon atom, here only 2. So how many hydrogen atoms are here? 1 here. Here only 1. See here, here 1 electron, here 2 electron, 3 electrons are engaged, only 1 is remaining. For that only 1 hydrogen atom is required. Here 2 electrons are engaged with this double bond. So remaining 2 electrons will share their electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms. So here single bond is forming, here also single bond is formed, here also single bond is formed with hydrogen atom. So I hope you understood this structure also. Like that, similarly butane structure, butane, number of carbon atom 4, double of that 8 hydrogen atom, 1 double bond, remaining are single bond. Yes, the chain of 4 carbon atom, 1 is double bond as it is in. So how many electrons every carbon atom, so this carbon atom, how many electrons are free here? 1 is engaged, remaining 3 are here. Here 2 electrons are engaged, remaining 2 are here. For this 1, 2, 3, 3 electrons are engaged, only 1. So here for this carbon atom 2 electrons are engaged, only 1 electron is remaining here. So like that, remaining by the remaining number of remaining electron we can decide number of hydrogen atoms. So these are number of hydrogen atom now. Just now like this you have to draw this structure, and this is the sharing, this is the single bond. Yes, like that you can draw all that structure from butane. Butene, you have to write down the further structure: pentene, hexene, heptene, octene, and nonene and decene. That remaining structures you have to draw here, and similar manner alkyne structure will be there also. What is the chemical formula for alkyne? That also we will see here. What is the general formula? It is called general formula, and chemical formula of the particular is like that. This is the chemical formula of particular ethene, and this is the general formula of alkene. This is the general formula of alkene. This is CnH2n. This is the general formula. So, general formula of alkyne now we will see. Alkyne. Ine. Now, functional group is YNE, ine. And what is the identity of that? Carbon, carbon, triple bond must be there. Carbon, carbon, triple bond must be there. Like that double bond, here will be triple bond between two carbon atoms. So, this series will start from 2 carbon atom only, as we needed minimum 2 carbon atom for carbon carbon triple bond. So, we have to skip this myth, because it will have only 1 carbon atom. It is impossible to draw structure as carbon carbon triple bond with the single carbon atom. So, that we have to start this series also from eth. Eth means 2 number of 2 carbon atom. So, what is the general formula? What is the general formula? CnH twice n, but minus 2. What was the general formula of alkane? Alkane का क्या था? CnH twice n plus 2. For alkene, Cn and twice n for H, and here for alkyne, Cn and H twice n minus 2. So, if we have to take first compound of this series, so that is ethyne. That is ethyne with carbon carbon triple bond, and 2 minimum carbon atom we have to take here. So, what is the number of hydrogen atom? If carbon will be 2, then 2 into 2 minus 2 again, minus 2. So, here 4 minus 2, C2H2. So, how we have to draw that structure? Carbon carbon triple bond, and 3 electrons of each carbon atoms are engaged with for this triple bond. Here 3 electrons are engaged, here 3 electrons of this carbon atom, here 3 electrons of this carbon atom also engaged here. For the triple bond, only 1 electron is remaining. It will bond with 1 hydrogen atom. It will bond with 1 hydrogen atom, 1 covalent bond with 1 hydrogen atom. Means the structure will be like that. Yes, this is the ethyne. This is the ethyne. Yes, ine means carbon carbon triple bond. Similarly, you can take out the structures of propyne, butane, pentyne. That is your homework for today. Like this structure, you have to take out for number of 3 carbon atoms. By this formula, you can take out the number of hydrogen atom, and you can draw the structures by calculating the remaining number of hydrogen atom from that triple bond. Triple bond के बाद जितने भी बचते हैं कार्बन एटम के पास, तो यहाँ पर C3 के लिए कितना होगा? C3H twice n means 2 into 2 minus 2. So, C3 4 minus 2, C3H 2 again. So, how it will be? Sorry, twice n is equal to 3 here, 6 minus 2, that are 4. Okay. So, number of hydrogen atom will be 4 here for propyne. So how we have to arrange this? Carbon-carbon triple bond. Then propyne means 3 carbon atoms. So 3 electrons, 1 electron is remaining here. Here for this carbon atom 3 electrons are bonded here and 1 is bonded here, means all valencies are fulfilled for this middle carbon atom, and for this carbon atom 3 electrons are remaining. So H atom, H atom, H atom will form one covalent bond here and one covalent bond with here. So like that 4 hydrogen atoms are attached here, C3H4. Yes, means the structure will be like that. In this manner you have to draw the structure of next butene, pentyne, hexyne, heptyne and so on. So this is your homework for today. So you have to draw all that structure and practice the structure very well, and if you have any difficulty you can ask me on my personal number, okay. So read this topic from textbook and draw this structure in your notebook, okay. Thank you. कितने मिनट का हो गया?